What are your guys' names?
I'm Julia Landauer, and I'm a junior studying STS.
My name is Merino, and I'm a sophomore, double majoring in communications and philosophy.
I'm an incoming freshman, and I wanted to know from you guys, what are the 3 things I should know about Stanford?
I think one of the big things to start off with is to not be afraid to reach out to people. There are so many resources here on campus that, like, if you have an interest, just reach out to someone and talk about it. You know, I'm a race car driver, and I was really interested in how you can make the automotive industry greener. But that wasn't something I was interested in really studying as a major. So I just reached out to sustainability at Stanford, and, you know, they booked a meeting. They're like, yeah, come talk to us. We want to be able to share anything we can with you. And that introduced me to a lot of other people, and before I knew it, I had this huge network of professors and faculty here that I could talk to, and that was really great.
Yeah, and that network can even extend beyond just Stanford's campus. You can also reach out to people outside of campus. I myself heard, for example, that the Wayans brothers were going to come do a comedy show, improv show in San Jose. And so I invited them to come to campus and just talk with me, to just interview them. And I ended up writing an interview for the Stanford Daily, and I got to hang out with the Wayans brothers, and that's not really a common thing. You can meet people here on campus, but you can also extend your work outside too, and that's really exciting. Another thing to know, I think, is that you don't have to be so scared of leaving home and being plunged into this new environment with thousands of strangers. People here are so friendly, and everyone else is on the same boat as you. They just want to make friends. They don't really know anyone. Everyone is kind of scared. So, and there's also just so many people here that you can find anybody with any kind of interest. So you don't have to be scared of not finding people that are not going to want to talk to you. Everyone wants to talk to you, even if they don't look like it, they want to.
And there's not, like, there's a space for, like, if you're into Greek life, you can do that, but, like, I'm not, and so I've definitely been able to find a handful of friends that I'm really close with outside of a structured social environment, and you find them in the weirdest places, too, like, randomly in Coho, randomly in your hallway. I mean, there's so many opportunities to make friends, so not something to be anxious about.
And also, you can find people within what you're, whenever you decide what you're going to study, you can have that group of friends who has those same interests as you, but then when you go, at the end of the day, back to your dorm, you have those people who you can relate to and be on a more social level. So there's all kinds of levels of friendships you can create, and that's really exciting here.
Also, at the end of the day, you just have to remember that you got into Stanford. That is so cool, and that is the hardest and most nerve-wracking part, right?
Yeah, I think people need to realize that you're not a fluke. Maybe sometimes you're going to be working at 3 a.m. and you're like, why am I here? This is so horrible. This is so hard. I don't know what I'm doing. How's everyone in my class getting it? But at the end of the day, as hard as it seems, you're going to find people to help you. You're going to figure out what you're doing, and you can't be scared. There's a reason you got accepted, and you need to start believing in yourself. Welcome to Stanford!